Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add background to your picture on the Prisma application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your gallery and new click to the images icon next to the frame section at the bottom of the screen, and here you can select different backgrounds, for example comics or old pictures and another design. And if you select one, just click to the apply button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.